We were given this beautiful black koi by a friend, and according to Japanese custom, black koi bring good luck. Well, it turns out they also bring babies. Lots of them. Not long after settling in, our black koi, who we named Inky, by the way, because he was so black and so difficult to see, surprised us with 13 tiny black koi. At first it felt like a blessing, until we realised we had way too many fish for our pond. So I decided to try catching some to give away to friends. I even got into the pond in my waders, determined to catch them. I tried once, then twice, then a third time, but these little ones were so fast, and because they were black, they were almost impossible to see. But they outsmarted me every single time. At the same time, we'd been noticing the pond was starting to sink a little around the edges. Water was spilling over the liner and escaping, which meant the level kept dropping below the pump intake. So every morning I'd have to add more water just to keep the waterfall running. So we called our pond builder. Since we needed the pond repaired and cleaned anyway, it was the perfect time to tackle those baby koi. They carefully drained the pond and transferred all the koi into large holding tanks on the patio. Each tank was filled with pond water to keep everyone comfortable, and this time we could finally see and separate the baby koi. Now that we could clearly see all 13 babies, we had another surprise. Some of them had changed colour, so we decided we were going to keep at least 4 of them. While the pond was empty, the crew cleaned out years of muck, reset the rocks and levelled the edges. Then they refilled it, clear, balanced and better than ever.
Red eyes and was spotted. We don't know what happened to him. He completely changed.
What about this guy? This guy's kind of pretty too.
Oh, that guy is pretty. And he's a butterfly too.
Yeah.
Sure, we'll keep him.
Once the repairs were done, it was time to move everyone back home. Returning our largest fish, Captain Picard, was a 3-man job. So in the end, our lucky black koi really did bring us good fortune, not just in the form of 13 little surprises, but in a cleaner, healthier pond that we'll enjoy for years to come. So maybe Inky really did bring us luck, not just with new life, but with a reminder that sometimes even a little chaos can make the garden feel more alive.